Alright, so on the 2023 Freewheeler, we're going to be installing these little guys here to replace the front turn signals. The original stuff, I don't know why Harley continues to do this, is to install halogen bulbs from the 1970s. So we're going to turn this sucker on to give you an idea. I mean, you already know what it looks like. Basically looks like ass. Oh, Alright. Alright, so you have this. We're going to be changing this sucker out too with the Hogworks. But for now, we're going to put this in there. And that's what's in there. It's fairly simple. We're not going to get too hardcore into it. But on these lenses, it's like a little opening right here. You stick the little spudger tool in there and you just pry it. So it looks like this. Comes right off. Simple stuff. Nothing crazy, nothing high speed, just a lens cover. So we're going to turn these lights off so they can cool down. We can yank the bulbs out. Just a little tip. These things basically just push in, pull out, pops right out. And then the factory joints, which are substantial, it's actually a whole unit, right? It even tells you which way to put it in. This goes right where the factory socket is. And they just go into the housing, like so. Right back. Alright, so we got one installed. Already looks great. Side note, on these bulbs, and this is for just people that just don't know, you notice how you have two little nipples here? This one has to go further in. If you look inside the slot, you'll see which one can go further in. And then you use a little screwdriver, because it's slotted. Don't go crazy with this. Very gentle. All right, that didn't take too long. You pop them in, top side first, and pivot it down inwards. Once again, easy stuff. We're gonna take off the last this shit here. See what it looks like. Whoa. Okay, that's gangster right there. Not bad. Whoa. That's yellow, isn't it? I have to take care of that. See what these things look like when they're blinking. So basically the halos stop and it'll just blink all orange. Turn those suckers off and then go back to white. That's basically it. Simple, short, sweet, very easy mod. Available directly from Harley. Yeah, that's it. For all late model Freewheelers, RoadKings, whatever else this shit can take. Thanks for watching.